DIY projects are supposed to be fun and fulfilling, but let's be honest, sometimes they're anything but that. Some of us have been there where you're working through a project only to realize, I don't even have the right tools, or I missed a crucial cut, or I brought the wrong screws or stain, and suddenly you're making yet another trip to the hardware store. The problem often starts with planning, or really the lack of it. When I used to work with a large general contractor, I saw this firsthand. Before those massive buildings ever went up, there were years of behind-the-scenes planning that no one typically saw. So we're talking from estimating, we're talking about designing, choosing the right materials, hiring the right subcontractors. It was all carefully thought out before a single nail was even hammered. Now, imagine if we brought even a fraction of that planning into our DIY projects. That's exactly what inspired me to create the Design and Build Project Tracker. It's not just another notebook, it's designed specifically for carpenters, woodworkers, DIYers, makers, to just really help us stay on top of every detail, from brainstorming to making sure you buy the right tools, supplies the first time. This tracker has everything you need to stay organized. There's space to sketch your designs, track your tools, plan your cuts, inspirational quotes you could read as you work, and even a space to jot down everything you need to buy. So you're basically fully prepared before you even step foot into the store. If you're tired of the chaos and ready to bring some calm into your workspace, into your wood shop, give the Design and Build Project Tracker a try. It's not just about staying organized, it's about unlocking your creativity and avoiding those interruptions that can slow you down. When you know what you're doing with your project, it gives you the confidence to keep creating. So why not make your next project easier and more enjoyable? Grab your Design and Build Project Tracker now on Amazon.